Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this Realme. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down to access special features. Now click on Simple Mode. Click on Enter Simple Mode and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, tap on Settings. Click on Exit Simple Mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!